Hi there, Stephanie here again with yet another abstract concept to describe in the context of the academic model. These are the concepts related to time. Remember the video where we discussed the key domains of the model? Well, affecting each of these domains are issues related to time. These are the cycles, schedules, dates, and durations that define all of the elements of the curriculum. Time is therefore an important consideration in the model's design. In fact, the time-related constraints of current structures and systems can inhibit the university from being innovative and flexible. For this reason, one of the key principles driving the model is that it must support any kind of time period. The model has 5 representations of time. First is academic cycles. An academic cycle has a start date and an end date and is usually recurring. This is a broad category that includes multiple types of cycles, including sessions, terms, and the course seasons used in continuing studies. While we use the term the academic year to refer to the predominant academic cycle for undergraduate degree programs, other types of cycles are possible that do not map against the academic year. Second, we have scheduled events. Within an academic cycle is a collection of scheduled events. These may or may not be recurring. For instance, a class may recur on each Tuesday and Thursday in a given term, whereas the final exam will only have one occurrence. Third is timestamps. All recorded events will be timestamped in the system, so we can keep track of what happened when. Fourth, we have effective dates. Effective dates define the period in which an object may be used for a given purpose, and when that use is no longer valid. Fifth and finally, we have versions. Sometimes elements of the curriculum undergo significant revisions. The version of a learning opportunity is usually associated with a particular academic calendar. We can have multiple versions of the curriculum for a particular program being delivered at the same time. So to wrap up, let's think about these time-related concepts and how they relate to the core concepts discussed in the previous video. The academic calendar sets out the version of a learning opportunity and its academic cycle, which may or may not be the academic year. A particular academic cycle is associated with learning instances, and the scheduled events within that cycle are associated with learning activities. So with that, we wrap up the introductory videos for the academic model. A number of videos having to deal with more advanced topics is yet to come.